All right, this is for agencies. Sell this landscaping calculator install for $500 to $1,000 per client easily. If you run an agency with landscaper clients, this is an easy upsell that you can deploy literally today. I'm going to show you the tool, which you're looking at it right now on your screen, how cool this is, and how you can get started checking this out for yourself using this. There's a homeowner mode and a contractor mode, so it's built in with two different modes, so you can switch over easily. You got project details, new installation, landscape, renovation, maintenance setup, full property makeover. Property size you can enter in right here, the square footage. And it's got links down here, or little buttons you can press. Lawn services, if you want to add that, sod installation, seeding, artificial turf. And the results you're going to get from this calculator are based on actual landscaping industry estimates for nationwide in the USA for 2026. So they're going to be reasonably accurate. It's going to give you a good ballpark figure is what I'm saying. It'll be more accurate than most lead generation tools, aka full service calculators that you're looking at right now that are on the market. Lawn services, so you pick whatever here. So you want sod installation, lawn coverage area, we'll put 1,000 square feet. Hardscaping elements, patio, walkway, retaining wall, driveway, softscaping. You can enter all this in. Additional features, you got an irrigation system, drip irrigation, sprinkler system basic, sprinkler system advanced. Site conditions, ongoing lawn care. These are optional add-ons. You don't got to fill anything out. And this is the cool part, one of the cool parts of this tool. This is for actual contractors. They can put their labor rate in an hour, profit margin, initial markup percentage, sales tax rate. This is huge. You can put that in whatever your state sales tax rate is in. You can put in this box here. And a regional multiplier. You click calculate my estimate. It gives you a low estimate, mid estimate, and a high estimate right here. And it tells you a cost breakdown right here. There's a call now button, an email estimate button, and a print estimate button. And if you want all six, I got six. I got an Interior Calculator Suite. You can check out right here. That come with all the HTML ready. You can literally deploy these in seconds. Great upsell for you if you run a marketing agency. And you can sell these over and over again. And then you're gonna own them with white label rights. And if you want this installed on your site, this is the price here. I'll do it for you. If you want just the code where you want to do it yourself, I can sell you that as well. Just contact me at affiliatelessons@jaysonlinereviews.com. Or if you want to use this yourself, links are all going to be directly below in the video description box. So links directly below. You can check this out for yourself. This is customizable right here too. Let me scroll up. As you can see, it's named Landscaping Cost Calculator. Get an accurate estimate for your landscaping project. It's a blue background. What you can do here, which is really, really cool, put your company name in. We'll just put Jay's Landscaping. Phone number, you put any phone number you want here. We can put this in. Email address, I'll use one of my email addresses here. Color, you can change the color up here. By choosing primary color, you can enter it in here. Default mode, don't worry about this. You got show call now button, show email estimate button, show print estimate button, enable lead capture. You even got an option for that. Right here, you can turn it on and off. And that's it. So it's customizable. You go to the top here and watch how it's switched over. Right here, see? Get an accurate estimate for your landscaping project. So it's got my name I put in there. It could be your company name, whatever company you're working with. So this literally, you can use this and literally deploy on your client's site that own a landscaping business. Charge $500 to $1,000 or even more. And you can do this over and over and over again. Easy upsell that you're going to own. And it's just a great product that all businesses need and are going to want. And this is a high quality tool. As you can see, it's better than anything you're going to see on the market that I've seen. that's going to do everything they want them to do. And it's also got a built-in contractor tool as well. So it's a dual purpose for people visiting their site and for the contractors themselves. So 2 thumbs up for that. The call now button is going to have their number there as well. So all this is customizable. If you want to check this out for yourself, I'm going to leave a link directly below in the video description box. Check it out. I'll leave my email address. If you want to ask, if you have any questions, shoot me an email. And if you want to check out the full package I offer, click this button right here when you get an estimate. When you play with this tool, and you're going to get your estimate, the low, mid, and high range. And I can install this for you as well. So with that being said, thanks for watching this video. If you like it, hit the like button. I'd appreciate it. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.